Digital's team challenged me to create a beat using one of the 3 guitar samples that they sent to me. So today I'm gonna show you how I turn one of them into a dope reggaeton beat. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna listen to the sample they sent to me and then use the one that I want or the one that I love. Nice. Next one. This one is more melodic. So. Ooh! Oh, it's a one shot. This is another one shot. Another one again, and then the last one. Woo! These dope guitars are from the digital pack Vibras. The Vibras pack is launching soon with over 250 amazing Latin guitar samples. And you can get it for free when it drops by joining the waitlist using the link in my description box. It's gonna be free for a limited time only, so don't miss the opportunity to have it in your sample arsenal. Let's just jump into FL Studio and then drag it right here. I think the tempo is 85, and I think I'm gonna play with the tempo a little bit, make it go faster. Go to tools and then macros and then real time stretching, arc, and then maybe like go 90, 92, something like that. And now load Anna. So we're gonna try to find a keyboard and then find a key. Go to keyboard and then let's use this one. And it's the same thing over and over. So let's see. Let's just take this one and then put it over here. And then we're gonna comment B right here. Or maybe let's just quantize everything. So we're gonna transpose, we're gonna reverse it. Leave duration, okay. Commit L and then we'll go. Click on the audio clip. Boom, we have it. Drag it right here and then hit reverse. We chop it. You just press C on your keyboard and then you just chop it right like this, and then we rearrange it. Boom, you have your reverse sample. And then put a bunch amount of reverb in it, guys. And I see that Bad Bunny use a lot of reverb in his production, so we're gonna do the same way here. Lose convo, something like that. Woo! Sound nice already. Love it. And with this one, we're gonna try to find maybe a pad. One thing I love about Anna, you can rate the preset that you love. You can see this one is rating, that means it's a good pad preset. I'll Q, quantize duration. Maybe I don't want the bass note, comment X. Nice. Nice. Now start with the kick and the snare. For the kick, we're gonna go fill each first step, and then for the snare, and we copy the same thing over and over. And go to Slate Digital, the Keiko C-Pop, and then go to one shot, trying to find some nice perk. Let's use this one, sound nice. Okay, now let's play with the velocity also. You can see sound better. Nice. Command B. And go to drum loop and try to find a hard slope. Let's try this one. And try to put it on time. Maybe it's gonna be right here. And I'm gonna only take this part of it. This part right here. Right here. Right here. And right here. And here we are. Nice. Next I'm gonna be adding a bass, guys. I'm gonna go to Fire and then use this sub that I have. Open a new channel. Go to Slate Digital again and then go to Omnivox and one shot. Let's try to find something. Okay, this one is on the same key with the sample. One thing we can do with it, it's like we're just gonna make it like a transition, add some reverb in it, long reverb, and then add some delay. Nice. This one, I'm gonna consider this one like my chorus, and now we're gonna work on the pre-chorus and then the verse. For our pre-chorus, we're gonna remove the drums, remove this bass, and then I'm gonna load Anna and then try to find a bass from Anna. Go to bass and then there's a preset that I love using, the body. Okay. Nice. Maybe like that. Nice. This one is B more minor again. And we transpose it. It's on A minor. We transpose it on. We go like instance. Nice. We can put this one in the same channel as this one, and then they're gonna sound nice too. And then we're gonna try to find a nice reverse. Okay, let's use this one. Only make sure it's on time, and then boom, here we have it. Nice. For the verse, we're gonna use the same drum pattern but with different samples. Maybe let's use this one. We're gonna go. Nice. This one is better, I think. And then we go to perk. Let's use this one. Okay, and then it's gonna be the same thing, but on this one we're gonna the same thing over and over, and it's gonna make it sound different. Guys, I love everything. We create a pattern for the chorus, a pattern for the pre-chorus, and then one for the verse. Now I'm just gonna make the arrangement off camera and then get back with the final result for it. If I find something interesting, I'm gonna add it to the beat and then explain it to you. So let me just do that and then get back to you guys. Guys, the arrangement was so fun and it sounds crazy now. And let me show you real quick what I did. First of all, I add some vocal. I record my vocal right here, and we have this. Guys, I use the meta tone and then the verb suite classics, and then add some delay, and then I EQ it so we can remove some of the high and then some of the low frequencies. And also I had this bass. It's basically the same pattern but with some variation. The same note I played, and I had a bunch of variation right here. And this preset is from Morphine, and also I add this melody, the pad melody. I find this idea when arranging the beat, and I'd say, okay, this is gonna be an interesting outro. And a lot of Travis Scott music have those type of outro, and then I say, okay, let me just try it, and then if it's work, I'm gonna keep it in. Guys, I had this famous hi-hat. Let me just show you this one, and I had it right here. And then for the verse right here, I just chop the drum so I can have this effect. That all the changes that I made, guys. Now I'm just gonna let you enjoy the final vibe. That was so fun. I love the beat we created with this sample. And guys, please tell me in the comment section if you like it too. Thanks again to the Slate Digital team for this challenge. I enjoyed it. I can't wait to get my hands on the full Vibras pack. I think it's gonna be dope. Yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bow!